Hola! I'm going to show you how to use the weather.com site, and we're going to look up the weather, the current weather in cities in the Spanish-speaking world, and post it to your Padlet. Here's what the Padlet looks like. I've done the first one here. Hoy es lunes 26 de noviembre 2018. La temperatura en Havana, Cuba es de 72 grados F Fahrenheit. So you're going to use this site, and I'll show you how to do it. This is the search bar right here. Before you search for anything, make sure that you're using Fahrenheit today. Fahrenheit is the temperature scale we use in the United States. Almost everybody else in the world uses centigrade. We'll talk about that on another day. So make sure that the F is showing here. And you're going to search for a city. So let's search for Quito, Ecuador. Quito. And if you look in the searches here, it has Quito, Ecuador, Quito, Peru, Quito, Panama, Quito, Colombia. We're going to use Quito, Ecuador. That Pichincha is the state or district in that country, but Quito, Ecuador. So click on that one, and it's going to show us the temperature in Quito, Ecuador. Wait for it. There it is. 54 grados. 54. So go back to your Padlet. You're going to push plus. If you want to, you have permission to cut and paste. So if you want to copy my example, highlight it, Control C, copy. Hit the plus, put your name, Mr. McCrite. In the right something, Control V, paste it in. Hoy es lunes 26 de noviembre, la temperatura en. We're going to change it to our city that we just looked up. Quito, Ecuador is 54. Remember how to say 54? 54 grados F. And you're done. You have to do 5 of those. So I have my first 2 are done. I've got 3 more to go. Again, search here, get the temperature, post it on the Padlet. You have permission to cut and paste. Copy and paste. Copy is here. Highlight it. Control C, plus, name, Control V, change the date if necessary. You must change the city and change the temperature. Okie dokie.